Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking beans porridge. Yes, in this video I'm not going to use much ingredients on it. Yes, I just want to make it simple. As you can see, I've already added the bell pepper to the beans. Yes, so we allow the beans to get soft for some minutes before we add our palm oil, the red palm oil. Some people use vegetable oil, but I prefer using palm oil. Yes, palm oil. Now we are adding our palm oil. Yes, and in this beans porridge I'm eating it with plantain. Wow, yes, plantain. Depending on how you want to eat it, some people use it to eat bread. Yes, agege bread. Yes, depending on how. I just love beans porridge. Yes, some people cook their beans separately from their stew, but I prefer cooking it together depending on my mood. Yes, depending on my mood. As you can see, our beans is almost ready. Bye. Thank you guys.